The Skinfold test is a method of estimating body fat percentage by taking a Skinfold caliper measurement in 7 different locations of the body, which include the triceps, subscapular, chest, mid-axillary, abdominal, suprailiac, and the thigh. In order to get the best and most consistent measurements, all Skinfold measurements should be taken on the right side. Also, a minimum of 2 measurements should be taken at each location. The first side is the tricep. You should measure halfway between the acromion and olecranian process as the arm is held freely to the side of the body. Obtain a vertical pinch 1 cm above the pinch site, then hold for 1 to 2 seconds and release. The person will now put their arm behind their back so you can measure the subscapular region. Mark the inferior angle of the scapula and measure 2 cm below and come in with a diagonal fold and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. The next side is the chest. For men, get a diagonal pinch 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. Women need a diagonal pinch 1/3 of the way from the anterior axillary line and the nipple. The next fold is the mid-axillary. This is a point where a vertical line from the mid-axilla intersects with the horizontal line level, with the bottom edge of the xiphoid process. Next is an abdominal fold. A vertical pinch is made 2 cm adjacent to the umbilicus on the right side. The sixth fold is a suprailiac. A diagonal fold is made just above the front forward protrusion of the hip bone. The final site is the thigh. It is a vertical fold midpoint of the anterior surface of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and inguinal crease. Obtain the reading and release. After the completion of the test, you will need to plug the numbers of the sites into a formula to get an overall number to use as your body fat percentage. The most commonly used equations for body fat calculations based on Skinfold measurements are based on Jackson-Pollock's equation for body density. The body density can then be placed into the Bro-Zek or series formula to get body fat percentage.